Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto funds to the OKX wallet. To use the wallet on OKX app, head to the home screen and search this wallet in the top. From here, you can send and receive crypto as well as explore a whole bunch of Web3 features. If you already use the OKX exchange, you can quickly transfer funds to and from your new wallet in just a few taps. To bring assets to your wallet, head to this receive and select this withdraw crypto from exchange account. You will then have to specify the chain you want to use and how much you want to transfer. For security purposes and to keep your assets safe, the two-factor authentication is also required. Now, to send crypto from your wallet to your trading account, select this send, choose the crypto you want to send and choose send to exchange account. You can check the status of your transfer by hitting to history on the wallet home page. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.